outside and it was really harsh, the weather was really harsh, but now we're here to make a fluffy slime base, you know, Cherry's favorite, to get ourselves in the mood for the summer that's coming up. Alright, here's our friend. Hi, always happy to be with us. Alright, so today we're going to start with a ball. Of course, the essentials, alright? Okay, now we're going to be using the glue. Can you take the glue, please, sir? Faster, come on, don't have all day. How were my sweet dumplings? I'll ask you individually, but you guys, you're so much. Anyways, let's just put the glue, that's... Sure, honey. Sit. Of course. Alright. Okay, we put the glue. That's like my favorite part. It's so white and pure and oh my god, I love it. Alright, I kinda want to mix it already, but there's nothing to mix. Okay, now we're going to take the shaving cream and make it all fluffy like we like it. Woo! Get the party started. And our little friend is smiling with us. Oh my god, it's so great. Oh, I love this, you know. I love you guys. If it weren't for you guys, I couldn't show anyone my slime. It would be a waste. But now because of you, I can do what I love. I can do my passion. Alright, now we're going to use our little soap here so that it can smell really good, alright? Okay, we'll put a little more because not a lot came out. Alright, another one. Alright, marvelous. You can just smell it. No, it reminded me, you know, when I was young and I just jumped around in the valleys with the flowers. That's exactly how it smells like. Oh, you know, my children memories. We're going to be adding some body lotion, right? Because that's an important ingredient for Cherry's favorite basic slime mix. Woo! Alright, we're gonna put a little. Well, a little, you know what I mean? Alright. Mix it! Woo! It's such a party in here, come on! I was buying Lilu some dog treats because she's the perfect favorite little dog, you know? And I was just thinking about slime all the time, that's the only thing that was on my mind. Imagine if dogs could eat slime! They'd be perfect little slimy little dogs. It would be great. Oh my god. Oh, I'm starting to get dizzy here. Hey Betty, wanna turn a little for me? Starting to lose my balance. Oh, this is way too much fun. I can't handle it. Come on, turn. Come on. Have fun. Yeah. I gotta take back my spirits. I'll take that back. I want the fun to keep going. Woo! Alright, okay. So now we're going to be taking the starch, the cornstarch. What else, you know? Oh, the small little spoon. Just how cute it is. Alright, okay. I'm gonna go get just a little bit of cornstarch, right? That wrapper. Oh, if it could just come out. Come on. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, perfect, yes. Okay, so then we add it to the solution. And then we do the thing that never gets old, we mix! Oh my god, I love my life. There's nothing else I want. I just want me and my slime. Going to ask my buddy here to hand me the borax solution, please, right there. Buddy, that's you. Buddy, oh, come on, get the borax solution. Buddy. Come on, you can sing along. Thanks, you're so helpful. Alright. Now, personally, if you want Cherry's fluffy slime base, which is so amazing, I really like to put a little bit more borax solution so that, you know, your fingers don't get all stuck in the slime. You know, we like it, but not that much. Come on. I mean, no, not the slime. I mean the stickiness, because the slime, of course we like it that much. So you just, you add some in there, and we just keep on mixing. Oh, See, it's starting to get fluffy. It's starting to like get compacted and stuff. Oh my god. I love when it does that. I get this feeling that my life is complete. You know, like I've done everything just right. And I love that feeling. Mostly when it comes to slime because as I said earlier, slime is the greatest thing on earth. Woo! Alright, alright. Hey buddy, where's your face? Come on, show us your face. Come on, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Alright, we keep turning. Woo! Okay, you see? It's starting to get fluffy, you know? Like a little bunny. You know, little bunnies? Oh, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You know, in the pet store, you know, I always thought about getting a little bunny, but I don't think Lilu would really like a little bunny. I don't know, I think she really warrants all my affection. Anyways.
Affection?
Alright, we're just gonna keep turning, alright? Alright. We're reaching the end. Females? Alright, so now, what do we do? What do we do? What do we add? What do we do? Oh wait, hey! I think we've used all the ingredients we had to use. I think we're ready to put our fingers in the slime. Alright. Whoa! 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 It's amazing! I haven't felt this way in like so long. Jesus Christ, the sun hiding under the hills. This makes up for it, guys. Slime, it's a work of the gods. Alright, but let's not forget that what makes slime fun and unique and fluffy and amazing and fantastic and the best thing on earth is that you can put whatever you want inside it. Oh yeah, so that's what we're gonna go and do. Cut. And welcome back, my creative special little minds. You missed me, right? I wasn't gone for long, but I know you missed me. Alright, so today we decided to do something very special, something you never saw before because I'm Cherry. Alright, so I'm going to ask my buddy here, to take the little coloring right here. So take it, please. While I play here with my little slime. Hello, you. What are you, a snail? See that dude? Oh.
What color?
What color, guys? What color? Show me. Blue. Oh my god, blue. Blue is such a beautiful color when you think about it. The color of the sky, the color of the sea, nature. Nature is blue. Nature's beautiful. Oh my god, blue and slime together. Perfect combination. Blue! Oh my god. Oh my god, my fingers are so sticky because of the slime. I'm having so much trouble opening it. Ooh. Oh. I think it's good. We got it! Ooh! Oh, that blue is very blue. Alright, we're gonna... Oh my god, I love it! Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna put a little more. Alright. Go easy there. Go easy, blue. Oh my god, I love it. I can't... I'm never gonna stop doing slime, guys. I'm just gonna keep doing it until I'm like 40 years old. You know, until I'm old and wrinkly and no one wants me. I'll still have my slime. Joke's on you. Get this party started. Woo! Ooh! Oh, alright! Oh, that's what I call blue. Alright. Oh. That's what I call blue slime. Alright, we're gonna go get our special object. Well, objects to put inside our slime for it to be even more special. We're back! Alright, so you know how Easter's coming up, right? It inspired the object I decided to put inside my slime today. Yes, I'm that smart. Alright, so buddy, show them. Come on, showtime. Woo! open, get open. How much do we take? All right, let's start with this much. All right, chop chop. We're gonna chop this. It's too long. Come on, chop chop. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's see what this gives us. All right, now we just have to mix it up a little. We never get tired of the mixing, do we? It never stops. It just goes on and on and on. Oh my god, I want more! I want more! Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. Oh, the contrast. Oh my god, he loves it too. All right. You see the contrast between the pink and the blue? Oh my god, I never thought I'd see this beauty in my life. Oh my god, I need more. If you tell me that this is not a piece of art, I'm not going to believe you. I'm sorry. I don't know where you were raised or what your values are, but your opinion is wrong. No offense. I don't want to offend anyone, but come on. You're in the wrong, obviously. Yes, please. Just come on, let's put it all in there. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. We're getting the hang of it. Aren't we, buddy? Oh, he's loving it. He's having fun. Oh, look. That's exactly what I wanted it to look like. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right, let's get to the next one, shall we? All right, special snowflakes. We're here for some little weird, unique stuff. All right, so we have another slime that we made right here. Some little fluffy slime base. All right, and we decided that we were going to be special because, as I said, we are special snowflakes. So we have some melted crayons right here. That's what we're gonna use instead of some coloring. I mean, that's so 2K17. All right, let's try here with the pink one. Ooh. All right, so it's a little hot, so I'm going to require your finger, mister. Just to hold it in place. All right, while I take it. Thank you. You're so kind. All right, here. Whoa. Then we put it right next to the pink. Oh, I'm hearing some melted crayons coming our way. What color shall be next? We're about to find out. Oh, maybe we should start mixing it. Maybe we'd see the results. Alrighty, let's just try to mix it, see what it gives. Oh look, it's like little fragments. It's like the constellations. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's kind of gluing on the plate though. Come on, slime, get out of there. Oh, it's like solid pieces of color. Oh, that's so cute. With my little slime here. Oh my god, do you see this? Do you see it? We have little pieces in it everywhere. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go add some melted crayons and I'm going to show you the final result. Ooh, now we're all mixing it up. There's a lot of green, but you know, I always loved green. we made the crayons melt. That way it did a rainbow. See, you see all the little colors here? The white, the purple, oh, we have a little bit of blue right here. Ooh, and we just mixed it up. Purple, my favorite color. Well, you know, I like all the colors, but purple is one hell of a color. So what we're going to do with this one today is that we're going to add some cotton balls. Yay! Let's see what kind of result we get for that. Is Cherry able to open the bag? You tell me. All right, let's just take the, oh, it's like clouds. Alright, we put it in here, we put it in there, we put it everywhere, yeah! Oh, the white and the purple make a beautiful contrast, don't you think? I think so. Oh yeah, let's add a couple more. And then I think we can call it a night when it comes to our little perfect little slime. Fluffy, amazing. Oh God. That's the face of someone who's happy to be here. Oh my God. It's like this is like an alien slime. That's what it is, because look, it's like a bird. It can like fly or something. It's woo! It looks like marshmallows in a really creamy, tasty liquid. I love it. My slimes are so different. That's what makes them so unique and so likable. I love my slimes. Oh. Slime and food. The two best things in one. You heard right. I am this genius that is going to use some old El Paso to put in my slime. I don't understand why no one thought about that before. Alright, let's go. We have to be creative, my little poochies. You know it. Alright, let's start with, oh, we have some cheese sauce right here. That ought to be good, right? Cheese! Thank you, my friend. Alright, let's do this. I think I've never seen something that delicious before. Alright, let's mix it up. Come on, mix it up. Mix it up. Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh yes. Oh! I unlocked a gem. The woo! Oh, if you could smell this, the smell. Take two, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's add the powder. Let's add the powder. That's what I've been waiting for since the beginning. All right, cut the little corner. I never really liked little corners. You know what I like though? Slime. Go. Oh, I see it in there. I see it in there. All right. Powder. I'm having so much fun, you guys. I never had this much fun since like my last slime video. I should do slime so much more for you guys. Alright, we add the little powder. Oh my god, I can't stop. Oh my god, I kind of want to eat it now. Isn't it yummy? Isn't it absolutely terrific? I mean, look at this. How can you not love this? I love this one. I just love it. I think I might eat it. You guys might not even see this slime on the table at the end because it's going to be in my mouth. Oh. Okay, so we put the cheese, we put the powder. What's next, I wonder? Come on, show me. Are those wraps? It's wraps! Oh, old El Paso striking again with the creativeness. Come on, give it. Woo! Oh, it's marvelous. I love it. Oh, marvelous. Oh, just if you could feel the texture, oh my god. Oh, the tortillas are just, oh my god. No, you can't, you're not even feeling this right now. You don't even have this in your hands. If you have this is like pure, the texture, it's like a reptile's scales, you know? Oh my god, I feel like I'm touching a crocodile in Africa. You know, the good thing about slime is that it's kind of like making a trip all over the world. You get to experience blue skies like we did did earlier. We get to experience constellations with our melted crayons, and now we're petting alligators in Africa. Mexican alligators that smell extremely good. Oh, this is by far my favorite slime. Hello guys! We're going to try something that was never done before, alright? You thought putting food and slime together was weird and crazy and special? You saw nothing! Today, we're taking lights and putting them into our slime to see what kind of results it's going to give. Alright, come on, put the lights on. Let's get the show started. I feel like I've been saying that often these days, but like, that's because these days, what am I talking about? I mean, like in this video, but it's just that for me, slime equals show. Like it's literally just, it's a fun time every single day, every single time. Oh, don't let this kind of accident happen. Alright, we're just gonna put this into the slime. We're gonna roll it and tangle it and woo! We're gonna try to put the lights in different places in the slime so that there's really lights covering it all over. Oh my god, look at how blinding they are. I love blinding slimes. They're great. It's like a Christmas slime. You can just put it on top of your tree instead of putting a star. I mean, why put a star? That's so 2K18. Put slime with little blue lights. If this isn't a holy slime, I don't know what is. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the best slime. Thank you for enjoying this adventure with me. I'm so happy you decided to come along. So these are all the slimes we decided to make today. Here we have our slime that we started with the Easter grass. Here we have our slime with the crayons that we melted in a microwave. Woo! Here we have the one with the cotton balls, the one with the food, and here, particularly my favorite, the one with the lights. So these are all the slimes that we decided to do today. And it's with your help that I was able to do them. So please, if you want to see more of my content with amazing slimes, please click on the like button and subscribe right now. I can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye!